This is an experiment on types of solutions.
Types of solutions? How many types of solutions we have?
That's what I'm explaining here.
Okay, start the experiment.
Friends, take 2 clean test tubes. Place these test tubes in stand like this. First, we will learn about unsaturated solutions. Take one test tube and fix it to a holder like this. Then with a spatula, add little amount of sodium bicarbonate. Now add distilled water to half of the test tube. It's shaking time. Observe friends, a clear colorless solution is formed. This type of solution is known as unsaturated solution. Friends, now we will learn about saturated solution. Take another test tube and fix it to a holder. Now add more quantity of sodium bicarbonate. Now add distilled water to half of the test tube and shake it. Observe friends, see the test tube. Some amount of the chemical remains in the test tube. This condition is known as saturation. This kind of solution is known as saturated solution. Then the final type is supersaturated solution. Now take the saturated solution, heat it on Bunsen flame like this. Friends, now see the change. Sodium bicarbonate that is remaining in the test tube will start to dissolve. This type of solution is known as supersaturated solution.
Unsaturated solution forms the cleared solution without any chemical remains, whereas the saturated solution contains some chemical which is undissolved in it. This undissolved chemical gets dissolved in supersaturated solution.